Something wants it.
I've been out to this lake 3 times this year.
This is my 3rd trip out, and I haven't been able to get fish to hit anything other than this lure right here. This is that live target frog you guys saw me buy. Problem is, I'm kind of new to using the soft rubber frogs, and I was having issues setting the hook. So what I did was I went to the store and I got this one. This one has a kind of a stinger hook on the back, and hopefully that helps. I get the same thrill out of a fish hitting a topwater lure as when a grouse gets up out of the brush. It's just really thrilling to see that.
That's not what you want to see when you're fishing.
That guy came right up on me.
One.
Right. Very nice. Okay, let's get a weight for Topwater Kings contest. Two, 3, 4. All right, so this is 3 pounds and 10 ounces by the looks of this scale. Sorry, it's an old scale, guys. Get a photo of that too. Alright. This is actually my first bass this year. We will let him go. There. Thanks for the ride, buddy. I arrived a little late this morning, just at the tail end of the morning bite. So I only had the 1 strike and I got the fish. But anyways, guys, if you liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment, of course, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you next time.